I got this DIY painting for over a year. I got it from my local store for $3.99. And this is how it looks inside. It came with the 16 acrylic paints and the mini brush. And this painting original is made by John Ray, Bald Eagle, Let Freedom Ring. And I am super excited to paint this beautiful painting, and I hope I'll make it closer to the original paint. And there is so many details, there is so many shades. It took me over 5 hours until fully completed, so I'm not gonna have a 5-hour video. I'm gonna speed it up just to show you steps how I did all those beautiful shades. And with this little mini tiny brush, I went step by step with all those beautiful colors, and I hope you're gonna enjoy it. I hope you don't find boring all this painting, because to me it's such a therapy. It's so relaxing. I just love to paint. I just love to create and craft, and it was a pleasure making this beautiful bald eagle. And today I'm just presenting you some Patriotic Americana US DIYs, and I hope you're gonna enjoy them. And also, this video is part of Try Tuesday. We're gonna talk about that a little bit later. And as you can see, I'm just going slowly, colors by colors. And in this painting, you got some numbers. If you can see them, it's good. If you don't see them, then good luck. So you just go color by color, and I think we're gonna do a good job making all those shades, all those different colors, and we're gonna bring it closer to the original paint. As you can see, I gave it a gray shadow. I did the eye. Now I came to the beak, and it have a different orange shades of colors, and I'm trying to get it closer to it, as you can see. And to you it might look very complicated, but to me it was so easy to do it, except time consuming. You need a good amount of 5 hours. Okay, I had a breaks in between looking after my family. They always need something, but other than that, it came out gorgeous. I don't know what else to tell you, not to bore you. I hope you're gonna enjoy my painting. I speed it up as fast as I can because I don't wanna bore you with all that painting. But I just wanna show you all those beautiful shades that this beautiful painting have, and how I made them step by step, and it's just a beautiful. Like one old saying said, tile by tile, you will build a house. So that's how I feel when I was painting this art piece, because I am really proud of it, how it came out. And it's just perfect for patriotic, beautiful decor. Memorial Day was yesterday, honoring all our veterans who gave their lives for the freedom of this beautiful United States of America. Also, 4th of July is coming up, and this is such a beautiful decor. I mean, this is a beautiful gift for Father's Day. Father's Day is coming up as well. I mean, I don't know what else to say. I am talking too much, but I am just over the roof how beautiful it came out. I'm super excited to show it to you. And if you see painting, DIY paintings like this, just grab them because they're not very expensive, and try it your own, and you will see how beautiful and easy it will come out. And for those of you who doesn't know me, I am C, the troublemaker. And this is CeeJ DIY, where we create beautiful home decor, and we always have lots of fun and tons of inspiration for you to create. After I made the lilac shadows, as you can see, I love that shade. I'm going with the red one now and trying to create the flag slowly. It came with 3 different red colors, lighter, darker, and kind of like a burgundy color. But when you put all those colors together, oh my god, I am in love with them. And that lilac color, it just came perfect as a shadowing throughout the white and red and blue. I mean, I don't know what else to say. The picture will tell everything. I don't need to talk too much, right? So I'm gonna let you just a little bit. I'm gonna turn up the music and you can enjoy the finishing of my painting. And as you can see, my painting is almost done, and you gotta let me know, what do you think? I'm gonna add it in this frame. I got this sign from Aldi. It was on clearance for $3. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover the design inside of it, just around the edges. And then also I'm gonna add those handles on top of it. I just drilled the hole so I can add those handles vertically, and then we're gonna glue it with the wood glue. And also, I didn't show it in a camera, I also added a nice sealer of a matte Mod Podge finish to my art. And after this, you gotta let me know, what do you think, and are you in love with this as much as I am in love with this? Now, because the frame also is bigger than the art, I want to put this one in the middle to look just a little bit like the original one. I'm just measuring, and then with a pencil I went around the edges so it can make straight lines. And then with the wood glue I just add it, and then I glue it on top of it, and that's it. Today I'm a part of another Try It Tuesday hosted by my darling friend Sammie from Unicorn Does Designs. She's hosting this challenge end of the month on Tuesday. Her link is in my description box, along with the amazing playlist with so many talented creators. Please show them lots of love. I'm making a firecrackers. I was inspired by this table home decor, and I'm gonna try to make my own version. I got those 2 crates from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna put them together and make them as a one block. I added a wood glue, and I'm just gonna let them glued until we go with the next step. I'm doing the same thing with this scrap wood. I am gluing them together so we can make a thicker block. and this is gonna be our second firecracker. I'm on the picture there was two of them, but I'm gonna make a smaller one, and for the smaller one I'm only gonna use one of those blocks from Dollar Tree. I have painted them with a crimson Waverly chalk paint. I'm showing you my gloves, how beautiful and patriotically they look. And when they're nice and dry, now I'm gonna add a white paint over, heavy distressing, and we're gonna let them dry when I cover them all with this white paint as well. Now that they're all nice and dry, I'm gonna sand them out. First, I sand them out with this sanding sponge, but then it didn't work, so I grab a grit with this P80, I believe. So I just sand them more heavier, just so we can have that crimson color peek through. After I distress them, now I'm gonna stain them with this watered antique wax, and going over. Doesn't need to be perfect because we're gonna wipe it out. We just go for the rustic look. And now with a wipe, I'm just gonna clean them off. And look at these beautiful shades that we had so far. What do you think? Do you love how rustic it looks? I love how it came out so far. I'm doing the same thing to my other two blocks as well. And then after that, we're gonna add some white DIY wax so we can have more richer seal on our decor. And I really love all those shades, how it came out. It looks so worn out. Now when they're nice and dry, I'm just gonna decorate them. I got this 2-loop bow, and also I'm gonna add 2 more tails on the other side to make it more fancy and match. So basically we're gonna make our firecrackers like a gift boxes too. Beautiful patriotic rustic look. So I'm just tying the tails on the back with the twine, and then I'm gonna glue them on top of the larger box that we have. I'm cutting off the edges as a ducktails. For more embellishment, I'm adding more of this ribbon around the edges of my box, and I'm just gonna cover the part where those 2 boxes got connected, and that's how we're gonna have a nice look to it, and it's not gonna be noticeable that this is made out of those Dollar Tree crates, and it's gonna be such a perfect decorative piece. I also add that golden ribbon as a fuse on my firecracker, and I'm gonna do the same thing on my smaller block except different ribbon. I'm just gonna cover where that flower is cut out on that, and then I'm gonna wrap it around in the middle, and then on top I'm just gonna make a twine bow. And that's it for the second one. I just love this beautiful rustic vintage worn out look. Let me know, how are you decorating for this 4th of July? Is it gonna be like a modern, or it's gonna be rustic farmhouse? Which theme you prefer the best for your home decor? For my 3rd block, I'm just using another Dollar Tree ribbon, this time smaller one, and I'm doing the same thing like I did for my other 2 blocks. The next inspirations, I saw those beautiful stars. I think they were on Etsy. And I saw those stars at Dollar Tree, so I'm gonna make my own version. Those are all sparkle with all those glitter, and first thing I'm gonna do is just get rid of the glitter. And I tried with the sanding sponge, it didn't work, so I grabbed my spatula, and with the spatula it worked out just perfectly, like a butter. It went out so smoothly. And after that I went under the sink, washed them. I also paint them with the nautical paint, crimson paint, and white Waverly chalk paint, and I let them dry. And then after that I'm just adding a white wax on the darker colors, on the nautical and the crimson, and then on the white one we're gonna add black DIY wax. And if you don't know, I got those DIY waxes from Unicorn Does Design. I will have her link on my description box. And you know, I talk about DIY products to my previous video. I really love everything that DIY makes. And after, I'm gonna seal them with this wax. We're gonna give that rustic, worn out look, and then we're gonna put them together, and this is it. Super quick and easy DIY, but very high-end. They don't even look like they're plastic, they look like they're wooden with all that texture, with the paint that we did and with all that wax on it. I think it came out perfect. Let me know, what do you think, and what do you think so far about all my creations today? I want to hear it from you. And guess what, I am so tired today because I had 2 videos and I worked 10 hours. So if I'm making mistake through my voiceover, please understand me, but I'm doing my best, and I hope you like my creations today so far. And to match my decor, I grabbed this book from thrift store, and I'm gonna cover it with this American flag scarf that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna cover it like I'm covering my other books as well. And we're gonna have a nice beautiful book stack, perfect for our decorations today. And before I let you go, finishing watching my final reveal, I would like to say thank you so much for taking time of your busy day to watching my videos, always giving me the best comments. I really love you, and until next time, I think I'm gonna have a video on the 5th, if not earlier. I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy, blessings, my darlings, from me to you. Bye-bye! And don't forget to check out Sammie's video along with her amazing playlist with so many talented creators.